Transforming old wood into something new and beautiful has a magic of its own, and in today's video, we are diving deep into that creative world with our theme, Vintage Wood, Modern Bedroom Upcycled Headboard Design Ideas. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the place where creativity meets sustainability, and where everyday materials are given a second life in the most stylish way possible. If you're someone who loves the charm of vintage wood, the character of reclaimed materials, and the warm feeling of making nature a part of your home, then today's journey is made just for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor, because we post inspiring woodcraft and decor ideas every day, and you don't want to miss out on any of our creative transformations. There's something incredibly special about vintage wood. It's warm, textured, full of imperfections that make it unique, and holds stories from the past. Turning that wood into a headboard doesn't just add beauty to your bedroom, it brings soul. A headboard isn't just furniture, it's a centerpiece. It sets the mood, defines the room's personality, and can completely transform how your bedroom feels. Now imagine having a headboard that you designed yourself, using old wood that might otherwise have been thrown away. It's sustainable, inspiring, budget-friendly, and deeply personal. One of the most stunning ways to upcycle old wood into a headboard starts with reclaimed barnwood. Barnwood is known for its rich texture, deep grain patterns, and weathered color tones that scream character. By arranging barnwood planks horizontally, vertically, or in a geometric pattern, you can create a headboard that feels rustic yet modern. A simple sanding, a light coat of varnish, and suddenly the old wood takes on new life, while still keeping its rustic charm. Adding LED backlighting behind the headboard enhances the mood and gives your vintage creation a modern edge. Another brilliant design idea involves using old door panels. Yes, those discarded solid wooden doors lying in garages or salvage shops can become incredibly stylish headboards. Their rectangular panels naturally lend a decorative rhythm, and with a coat of paint, or a distressed finish, you can create a romantic, vintage-inspired headboard without spending much. Keeping the natural patina gives it a real antique feel, while painting it white or pastel creates a soft, airy bedroom look. For those who enjoy a more artistic touch, consider herringbone and chevron patterns created from small pieces of scrap wood. Don't underestimate the beauty of those leftover timber chunks. When arranged in a repeating pattern, they create a visually captivating headboard that looks high-end and designer-made. This style pairs wonderfully with modern bedroom decor, adding texture, movement, and visual interest. It's perfect for someone who wants a bold statement piece that still feels natural. You can also craft a headboard using weathered pallet wood, especially if you love that raw industrial vibe. Pallet wood has an aged look that instantly adds personality. Whether you stain it darker, paint it white, or leave it completely untouched, pallet wood can be turned into a cozy and inviting headboard. To elevate it even further, add a floating shelf on top for bedside decor, candles, small plants, or framed art. This makes your headboard both functional and decorative. A charming variation involves creating a slatted-style headboard using long strips of old wood. This design works beautifully in minimalist bedrooms, bringing in a warm Scandinavian feel. The slatted headboard stretches horizontally, making the room look wider, and allows shadows and light to play through the gaps in a beautiful way. You can extend the slats beyond the bed width to include built-in nightstands, making it a full-feature wall of reclaimed wood. Now, let's talk about natural edge wood slabs, also known as live-edge wood. If you find an old, discarded slab with its natural bark or curvy shape intact, it can become a breathtaking headboard. The organic shape adds a sculptural element that no store-bought furniture can match. Keeping the natural edge and polishing the surface creates a combination of wild nature, and refined design perfect for a modern bedroom with earthy tones. Before we continue with more inspiring ideas, if you're enjoying this journey into upcycled design, remember to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We bring you daily content filled with creative transformations, sustainable decor ideas, and DIY inspiration. Your support helps our creative community grow, and we are excited to share every new idea with you. Another beautiful approach involves using old furniture pieces and giving them a second life. For example, the wood from a vintage dining table or broken wardrobe can be repurposed into a truly unique headboard. These pieces often have carved details, crown moldings, or elegant curves that you simply can't find in modern materials. By repurposing them, you preserve craftsmanship and give your home a touch of history. If you want a very modern look, consider creating a geometric wood art headboard, blending vintage wood pieces with clean, modern shapes. Triangles, diamonds, and lead blocks create a 3D effect that transforms the headboard into a statement wall sculpture. Even small wood scraps can be part of this design. Nothing goes to waste, and you end up with a headboard that feels both artistic and sustainable. For those who love color, consider a painted reclaimed wood headboard. You can mix wood tones, paint random planks with muted colors like sage, dusty blue or soft peach, and keep others natural. The mix creates a playful yet harmonious effect that elevates the room. The more random the arrangement, the more interesting the final result looks. In addition to visual style, upcycled headboards can be made more functional using integrated features. Adding cubbies, hidden compartments, or nightstand extensions makes the headboard more than a design piece. It becomes practical storage too. Reclaimed wood is often thick and sturdy, making it perfect for multifunctional bedroom furniture. Another idea that blends elegance with sustainability is using woven wood strips, taken from old thin boards or wood veneer sheets. Weaving them like a basket creates a soft, textural appearance perfect for boho and natural-themed bedrooms. This technique is easy to do and transforms plain scrap wood into a surprisingly refined headboard. If your bedroom leans toward minimalism, you can also create a framed panel headboard using large sections of smooth old wood. Sand them lightly, finish with a matte varnish, and frame the edges with darker reclaimed wood for contrast. This clean, simple look fits modern homes beautifully. You can even take things a step further by creating a full accent wall headboard that extends from the floor to the ceiling. Covering an entire wall with reclaimed wood instantly transforms the bedroom into a warm, inviting retreat. You can mix different tones of wood to create depth, or keep it uniform for a sleek appearance. Don't forget the charm of using antique wooden shutters as a headboard. Their slatted style brings vintage personality, and with paint or distressing, they become a unique artistic element in the room. This is an especially great option for those who want elegance without spending much. In the end, the beauty of upcycled headboards lies in the freedom to experiment. Old Old wood gives you stories, texture, warmth, and sustainability all wrapped up in one beautiful creation. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern geometry, boho style, or minimalist elegance, vintage wood offers endless possibilities to make your bedroom truly one of a kind. Every piece is unique, because no two pieces of old wood are the same. It's creativity with conscience, design with meaning. Thank you so much for joining us on today's inspiring journey into upcycling. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, where we post creative, eco-friendly decor ideas every single day. Your support keeps our community growing and encourages us to bring you even more beautiful ways to transform ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.